Hindustan Aeronautic Limited and Safran Helicopter Engines have signed a final contract to jointly develop and manufacture the new Aravalli helicopter engine in India, which will power Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's upcoming 13-ton Indian multi-role helicopter and its novel variant. The project is expected to strengthen India's defense manufacturing, design, testing and maintenance capabilities while also creating opportunities in civil aviation. Ceigall India has emerged as the lowest bidder for a major power transmission project connecting Gujarat and Maharashtra. The project includes a 765 400 kV substation and around 300 km of transmission lines with 36 months for execution. The company will receive annual transmission charges of 608.67 crore rupees for 35 years, making it a significant long-term project. The contract was awarded through a competitive bidding process by REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited.